Hi, welcome to my channel Foods Up to Date. In this video, we are going to exploring the amazing history of pumpkin spices. Before starting the video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Each year, as the leaves turn brilliant shades of red and orange and the air begins to cool, a familiar scent and flavor infiltrate our senses: pumpkin spice. From lattes and cookies to candles and air fresheners, pumpkin spice seems to be everywhere during the fall season. But what is it about this particular blend of spices that captivates our hearts and taste buds? We will delve into the psychology and history behind the pumpkin spice phenomenon, exploring the reasons why people love it so much. A sense of nostalgia. One of the key reasons people are drawn to pumpkin spice is its ability to evoke a sense of nostalgia. The warm and comforting aroma of cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and ginger reminds many of the cozy feelings associated with autumn. It harks back to fond memories of family gatherings, holidays, and childhood traditions, creating a comforting and welcoming atmosphere. Seasonal excitement. The limited availability of pumpkin spice products contributes to their appeal. Much like holiday-themed treats, the anticipation of pumpkin spice's annual return generates excitement. People look forward to indulging in these seasonal delights as they mark the transition from the warmth of summer to the coziness of fall. Cultural significance. Pumpkin spice also holds cultural significance. The tradition of pumpkin-flavored dishes dates back centuries in North America, where indigenous peoples used pumpkins as a versatile food source. Early European settlers adopted these culinary practices and incorporated pumpkin into their recipes. This cultural heritage has helped make pumpkin spice an enduring part of American cuisine. Versatility. Pumpkin spice's versatility plays a significant role in its popularity. It can be added to a wide variety of foods and beverages, allowing for endless creativity in the kitchen. From pumpkin spice lattes and muffins to soups and even cocktails, the spice blend enhances the flavor profile of numerous dishes, making it a versatile and sought-after ingredient. Associations with coziness. Autumn is often associated with feelings of warmth and coziness, and pumpkin spice aligns perfectly with these sentiments. The flavors of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves evoke images of crackling fires, chunky knit sweaters, and snuggling under blankets. The aroma and taste of pumpkin spice can instantly transport people to this comforting state of mind. Social media and peer influence. The power of social media cannot be underestimated when it comes to the pumpkin spice phenomenon. Photos of pumpkin spice treats flood platforms like Instagram and Pinterest, creating a sense of FOMO, fear of missing out. Peer influence plays a significant role as well, as friends and family often recommend and share their favorite pumpkin spice products, enticing others to join in the seasonal fun. The love for pumpkin spice is more than just a flavor, it's a sensory experience that taps into our emotions, memories, and cultural heritage. The warm and comforting blend of spices, combined with the excitement of a seasonal treat, makes pumpkin spice a beloved part of autumn for many. Whether it's the sense of nostalgia, cultural significance, or the allure of cozy associations, there's no denying that the pumpkin spice phenomenon has captured the hearts and palates of countless people each fall. So, the next time you sip a pumpkin spice latte or savor a slice of pumpkin pie, remember that you're not just enjoying a flavor, but a seasonal tradition that brings people together in a shared love for all things autumn.